My name's Chris Parkinson and this is my daughter Paisley. We live in Singapore and our family are in Australia. And we're making these lovely knitted pouches for the little orphaned animals. I came across a Facebook website. That's what gave us this idea. The fires have really caused a lot of destruction and there's been so many animals orphaned. So these little pouches just give the babies that the carers are working with and trying to save a similar sort of environment, I guess, to their mum. These are for the injured and orphaned joeys. Another thing that we've made are these bat wraps. These are used for when the little bats are sleeping. So this section here is a stuffed pillow and it mimics the mum's body. She wraps her baby in her wings. So the baby bat goes in there and then they're wrapped up so they feel all snug and tight. Like a burrito, if you like.
Parcels come from Singapore. People have been really kind. I've been getting parcels of absolutely amazing stuff from all over the place. Oh, isn't it pretty? Three critical care babies in at the moment. We're having a bit of a struggle keeping them warm, so I want to transfer them straight onto these small pouches. Yes, I know, but you're getting stronger if you can squeak at me.
My sister, she was recently evacuated in the fires. It's pretty awful and it's times like this that we really feel like we need to do something because we're here away from Australia, and the idea of all the little animals being orphaned, it makes you feel really quite helpless. Although we're not there, we can't actually pitch in and help the animals. This is something that we can do. If one of these little pouches can help save a baby, then awesome.